I'll go switch this off. That's like a demented snake. Right, as it's quite a hot day and I'm already dripping, I've done my cement mixture, just a little bit more water in it, because it's going to dry out very, very quickly. So I'm going to get on and lay these flags. And as you can see, look at me, soaking wet. Perfect. and it's slightly tilting towards the house for any runoff, so it's perfect. Yeah. Gonna have to get my back a rest already. So I've done my cement mixture 3 to 1. I'm having them slightly raised at one end so any water that runs off with the rain will run into the soil, and I'm dripping and I need to give my back a rest at the moment. Right. I've got a 4 load at the moment. I need to do another bag of, I need to make up some more cement. It's absolutely boiling. The sun ain't out, but it's absolutely boiling and I'm dripping. So those are all level that way. Oh, everywhere I've put the spirit level everywhere. I'm going to be putting gravel in the bits that I haven't done. And I think that'll make it look quite nice. So I've run out of this mix at the moment. I'll get another mix on. Whew. Gosh, this is hard work, but I think I'll take a coffee break before I make any more cement up. So on with the coffee. I'm just taking a little bit of break from doing this flagging and having a coffee. I was going to do this in one of those time-lapse long videos all the way start to finish, but I thought I'd like to show you the process of what I'm doing, you know, and letting you see how I'm doing it. My plans are, I'm leaving slight gaps between the flags so I can fill them with tiny little pea gravel. I'm putting the cement up to the edges of the flags so the pea gravel don't disappear all underneath the flags. Because it is so hot, I know the sun ain't out, because it is so hot, I've had to make my cement mixture a little bit wetter, and that's throwing up its own challenges on its own. I hope they're flat. I mean, I know there's going to be a lot of people who are going to say, oh, she's doing that totally wrong, totally wrong. I'm not a landscape gardener, I'm not a bricklayer, but I think I'm doing it right. I've done the mixture 3 to 1, just made it a little bit wetter so that it don't dry out and crack, and then possibly crack the flags, because it is, although the sun is out, it is extremely hot. And that's why I've done that, but that's proving a little bit difficult to work with. Sorry, I shouldn't be putting that on that video, should I? So yeah, my plan is then to put a whole load of gravel down, put my daybed up, plant some plants, put some hanging baskets up, put some little fairy lights up or whatever, and a little table, and jobs are good, and I think it's going to look pretty nice by the time I've finished. But yeah, we've had a heat wave this week and I haven't been able to get out and do anything. This is the only first day I've had to be able to get out and do something. So I'm going to have a break and see you in a minute. Well, follow me on and I'll finish the rest of the flagging in a minute when I've had a coffee. Okay, see you in a bit. So, I've finally done these two steps because I broke, if you remember the other day, I broke one of those flags. What I did, there's some nice builders doing a roof on a house up the road, and I asked them if they could neaten it off and chop it neatly. So I've actually used the broken flag to do my steps, so they're not as big as I originally wanted them, but it's fine, they're good. So I've done my steps, got all the flags down. Gravel's going to go everywhere else. So I've got to wait for that to harden off and put the gravel down. And that's the next stage. And we have it.
These flags are coming out. I've got some spare flags. I might even lay them down, I don't know, but I'd need some hardcore for underneath that, and I don't have any. And I've had enough of sand and cement, if I'm honest with you. Gravel's easy. I'll just shove a load of gravel down. It'll still look nice. Okay.